Today we're going to take a look at a sonic electrical toothbrush. If you guys can see, they give you 10 different heads, so you can actually start using them. And they're all packed in case, if you guys can see that. Now this is chargeable. There's a lithium battery built in, and they give you different levels. If you guys, different levels of vibrations that you have, 1, 2, and 3, and then the off and button. So you hold on to the button and it turns on, and that's the first level that you see that in here. And then this one, green light, tells you it's fully charged. You hold on to the button, you double click on it, it goes back to the second one, double click on it, the third one, and you can hear it. That's the fast mode right there. That's the second mode. And you can hear this one.